Cable stretch is a common issue in all new bikes. It occurs as the outer gear cable, end caps and internal wires settle and compress under tension. This creates slack in the cable, which can result in poor shifting performance. Fortunately, it's a simple fix. If the cable tension is too loose, your derailleur will struggle to move the chain up into the larger cogs. Shift into gear 4. This is your starting point. Now shift to gear 3. If the chain hesitates or doesn't move up, the cable is too loose. To add cable tension, turn the barrel adjuster on the shifter a quarter turn at a time counterclockwise. Test again by trying to shift to gear 3, and if needed, continue to add tension until you get a clean shift. 1/4 of a turn on the barrel adjuster at a time. Once happy with the shifting performance from gear 4 to 3, test changing from gear 3 to 2, and 2 to 1. If you still have hesitation in these shifts, turn the barrel adjuster counterclockwise 1/4 of a turn. You are looking for crisp shifting up and down the whole cassette. If at any point your gear overshoots or struggles to come back down the cassette, the cable is too tight, turn it clockwise to decrease tension. Still having gearing issues? Check our factory reset video, linked in the description.